Hello everyone, this is Soda Bus with another Wild Kratts toy review. This is the Createrra rescue set. As you can probably notice, I have opened this already because I got this last year from Toys R Us. But I wanted to show you what it looks like inside the box. Here's the back. So this is probably my favorite Wild Kratts toy from 2014. So first we'll go ahead and review the Chris figure. He has his creature power suit on. The head is a little bit posable, but you have to be careful with these toys because they're very fragile. You can move the arms, but you have to move them together. Same thing with the legs. And you can buy a Martin with the Createrra or a Chris, but you can't buy them together with the Createrra, which I thought they should have done. So here's the Createrra itself. Looks very much like it does in the show. So the first feature we have here is opening doors. And then we have the steering wheel really spins. And then of course, there you go. Cool creature paw there. There's the spare tire. The only drag is that it doesn't come with the winch like it does in the show, but that's okay. So, you can fit both Kratts brothers in here. So, it's a pretty cool toy. Here's my Martin figure from the 10-pack gift set. I'm going to put him in there. So, there's the two brothers together. This toy comes, you can buy it at Toys R Us and maybe a couple other stores this year, I'm not sure, but probably can find it. And then here's the zebra I have from the runner set. You can put ammos in the back like this, which is pretty cool. Or you could put Viva or someone back there. So there's the Wild Kratts gang in the Createrra rescue set. Now I'll show you how well it works driving. So here's what it looks when it's driving on the road. Here's what the bottom of the Createrra looks like if you wonder about that. So yeah, this is the Createrra Creature Rescue Set. All in all, I'd give this toy probably an 8 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed this toy review. This toy retails for about $13. Comment, like, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Check out my friend Kevin Oz videos. And I'll see you next time here at Soda Bus. Bye.